Pandy here of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. Just coming in with a quick sidebar note. It's a Saturday afternoon. I am trying to relax. So I am blending the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution, some of the organic apple cider vinegar, the raw one with the mother in it. That's where it has all that little floaty stuff in it. And then also some of the, I'm just making a mess. The Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Foaming Bath Restore and Replenish. It's like pure Epsom salt mixed with a little bit of essential oils. When I put that blend, y'all, in my foot soak, it is so refreshing. It is so refreshing, especially since the type of work that I do in the pharmacy right now consists of me usually being on my feet for a full 8-hour shift, with the exception of when I sit down to grab a quick break. I'm telling you, it works wonders on the feet. So it's affordable. You can find it at most drugstores. CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walmart. You can get all three of those products for under $10. And I literally probably only purchase those items once every couple of months. This is great for everything. I use this in my hair. I use it to clean with. It is an anti-inflammatory agent, so it's good for, taking the swelling and inflammation out of your bones and joints. It's good to drop a few drops in your bath water. It just has multiple household uses. So, quick tidbit, you know me, Pandy of Pandy's Hair Candy and More, always sharing information that we can use around here. All right, y'all. Let me go soak my feet. Talk to y'all later. Bye.